Hey everyone, I'm the Arizona tourist. Oh, there he goes. I've been feeding this little bird. He's really pretty. He's black with like an orange. There he goes. I probably can't see him, it's too far away. I was hoping to get him on video. Now he's in the shade. Now you can't see him. I've been giving him some bread and stuff. He's been coming around. This is Arizona Tourist, and we have a lot of pretty birds in Arizona. Just trying to get an up-close video. But, oh, there he is again. There he goes. Oh, look, there goes another one. It's hard to catch them. They're fast. It's hard to catch them on video. Oh, there's one over there. Here he comes. I think when he hears me talking, he takes off. Oh, there goes one. Ooh, they are just flying around. You know, I'm in the city and there's cars and a lot of noise. Oh, look at that one. That one is like catching something out of the air. Anyway, there is a lot of pretty birds around here, even though it's city. But it's hard to get them on video, because the cars come and it scares them away. Well, I like to give them a little treat in the morning. And then they come, that keeps them coming around. I had a bird feeder, but the bird feeder, whenever they would come to the bird feeder, and then if I tried to get them on video, they'd see me in the window and they'd fly away. So that didn't work out too good. Okay. Well, I'm Arizona Tourist, and I'm bringing you videos every week of all the great things to do in Arizona. And every once in a while, I like to get a little nature video. There goes another one. This is the first time I've tried to capture birds on video. It's not easy. These guys that have the channels, they do bird videos. Oh, now see? Now I see the sprinklers came on over there, and that scared them away. Yeah. And when you're in the city, makes it a little more difficult. Okay, well, if you're not a subscriber, I'd love for you to subscribe. It's free to subscribe. Like I said, I'm bringing you videos every week of all the great things to do in Arizona. And I'll try to get some more birds. I did capture some ducks up in Payson and a swimming turtle. Oh, there goes a whole bunch of them. But I'll tell you, catching birds on video, there goes one. It's not an easy thing, especially when you're in the city. Okay, well, that's it for now. There goes another one. They really are buzzing around here. You just got to be looking for them, and you got to be quick with your camera to catch them. Arizona Tourist. Bye for now. Oh, there's another one. Ooh, there we go. I don't think I got him. He was too fast. All right, guys. I will talk to you later. Arizona Tourist. Bye for now.